In this video, I will show you how to create paper flowers with the flower punch board. Create beautiful flowers from 3 to 9 inches in diameter with any paper. To use, select a flower size. Use the punch board to determine your paper size and trim your paper accordingly. Align the left edge of the paper to the start line and punch. And score the vertical and diagonal lines. Shift the paper to the left so the vertical score line lines up with the corresponding size, and punch. And score the vertical and diagonal lines. Repeat this process to the end of the paper. Start with the straight edge without the diagonal score line, fold your paper using the score lines, fold your last flower petal back and add some adhesive. 8-inch petals will give you a flat flower, perfect for adding dimension to a project. For a dimensional flower, use your scissors to trim off one petal and add an adhesive to secure the flower. Use the curling tool to curl each flower petal. To create a paper leaf, trim your paper to any size square. Use the reverse punch to punch 2 sides and score using the punch board. Add stems using the stem kit. Assemble the stem using the attachment clasp on your flower and screw in the back piece to secure in place. Finally, add a wire stem and use the floral wire and adhesive to secure leaves. Add an enamel dot to the center of your flower. Be sure to check out all the We Are Memory Keepers punch boards. Learn more at weareonthenet.com.